The Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, FET, has carved a distinct niche at the intersection of blockchain and advanced AI. As we look toward 2026 and beyond, FET's long-term value proposition is less about short-term speculation and more about tangible developments in its decentralized machine learning network. The token's price is tied to the demand for computational resources used in AI training and inference, as well as the adoption of its agent-based services. The success of FET hinges on the deployment of its decentralized AI marketplace and the onboarding of enterprise partners. These milestones will directly influence its utility and, by extension, its price. The project's roadmap includes upgrades to its consensus mechanism and cross-chain interoperability, which are key factors in determining its position in the competitive AI-focused blockchain space. FET's value is not just a function of internal progress, but also of the broader cryptocurrency market. Its price is correlated with major assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. A downturn in the broader market could slow adoption or reduce demand for FET, even if the project itself is advancing. Conversely, a bullish market could amplify FET's price movement if its ecosystem gains traction. The regulatory environment is another critical factor. AI tokens like FET are still navigating a rapidly evolving legal landscape. Clear and supportive frameworks for decentralized AI development could. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Boost FET's adoption and value. However, restrictive regulations could hinder growth and dampen FET's price. The token's price is also influenced by its ecosystem adoption rate. If FET becomes a standard for decentralized AI computation, demand for the token could rise significantly. This would be driven by the number of users and developers leveraging the network for training models, deploying AI agents, and accessing decentralized computing power. FET's price is not just a reflection of its own progress, but also of the broader adoption of blockchain-based AI solutions. The token's utility is tied to the network's usage, which means that as more developers and enterprises adopt the platform, the demand for FET is likely to increase. However, uncertainty remains around the speed and scale of adoption. The success of FET's decentralized AI marketplace will be a key signal to watch in the coming months. The next major signal to monitor is the onboarding of enterprise partners and the deployment of the decentralized AI marketplace. These developments will provide concrete evidence of FET's utility and adoption. If the marketplace launches successfully and attracts a significant number of users and developers, it could signal strong growth for FET's price in the coming years. Conversely, if adoption is slow or the marketplace fails to gain traction, FET's price may struggle to move beyond its current range. The mechanism driving FET's value is its role as a utility token in a decentralized AI ecosystem. Every transaction, computation, and service on the network requires FET, which creates a direct link between usage and demand. This is a fundamental difference from speculative tokens, where value is often disconnected from real-world utility. The stakes are high for FET. If it can establish itself as a leading platform for decentralized AI computation, it could attract significant investment and developer attention. This would not only increase the token's utility, but also its market value. However, if competitors gain an edge or if regulatory challenges stifle growth, FET could struggle. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. To maintain relevance, the next few years will be crucial in determining FET's trajectory. The deployment of the decentralized AI marketplace is the most immediate next signal to watch. If the platform launches with strong enterprise support and a growing user base, it could be a catalyst for FET's price movement. Conversely, if the launch is underwhelming or adoption is slow, it could signal broader challenges for the project. FET's future is tied to its ability to deliver on its core promise: a decentralized, scalable, and efficient platform for AI computation. Whether it can achieve that will depend on a combination of technological execution, ecosystem growth, and favorable regulatory conditions.